Fillet Edge in AutoCAD 3D. For 2D, we have fillet and chamfer like these tools. But 3D, go to the solid tab and here it is fillet edge and fillet chamfer edge. Select this fillet edge and go to the radius. Make the radius 25. Enter, and which edge you need to make fillet, select the edge one by one like this and enter. Double enter, it is required. Now you can see the fillet is created. Similar way, if you need to make the different edges, different radius, you can go to the fillet edge, go to the radius, change the radius and select the edge like this and enter. Double enter is required. Now you can see this edge, it is fillet like this. Now I go to again fillet edge and here we have few more option. Loop, select this loop option and before we given 50 radius, the same radius it will continue here also. Now I select this edge. Now you can see this loop is selected. If you want this loop, you can simply accept. If you don't want that loop, you can just, because you can see if you select this edge, we have this loop and the top loop. So I just select here next. Now you can see the top loop is selected. Now simply accept. For accept, simply enter. Now that area it is accept and it is created like this fillet. Again one more enter, one more enter. So 3 enters if you given. Now the fillet is ready. Again go to the fillet edge. Now here we have one more option, chain. Select the chain. Now I select this portion. You can see this all the area it is selected like this and enter. Now you can see the chain portions are ready. So like that you can make easily fillet edge. Again I just go to the fillet edge and go to the radius and I just make here the radius it is 75. Enter and I select this area and enter. Double enter. See here this area it is fillet like this. So using this tool, any edges you can make fillet. Normally using fillet edges, just give the radius and select the edges, you can make fillet.